The Dead Sea Marathon. The Dead Sea Marathon is in April every year. The marathon starts in Amman and finishes at the Dead Sea. People from all over the world come to take part in the marathon. There are different races. The shortest race is 10 kilometers long. There is a 21 kilometers race and a 42 kilometers race. The longest race is 50 kilometers long. There are prizes for the first, second, and third places in each race. The first marathon was in 1993. Many thousands of people have completed the marathon. There are more than 7,000 runners every year. The Dead Sea Marathon is important because the people in the races help charity.